Okay, do it, Beverly. Do it.
Wait.
Looks like you're trying to fly. Fly away, Beverly.
Wait.
Stop, you're gonna bend too much. Beverly having too much fun.
I wish this was a real carrot.
Why? What did you do with it?
Eat it? What else did you do with a carrot? What's wrong?
Make people see it at random times during the day with your shunning.
And I'm gonna go to Walmart and try to buy one carrot. Just relax.
Too late. Alright, Beverly, take them off.
No.
Take them off. We're trying to watch this show. Quit eating the carrot. It's not real.
Yummy. I didn't really eat it. I fooled you, didn't I?
Yeah, Beverly, you really fooled us. It's like you're fooling us with those ears. I mean, surely they're not your real ears.
But they are. We're gonna watch this or what?
No, not till you take the ears off and put the carrot down.
I like the ears. I want to look at them.
They don't hurt your head. Like, the headband hurts my head.
Because you have a fat head.
No.
They feel cool. I like them. I want some ears. Some ears like
Hey,
this.
Elizabeth, look this way with the camera.
Nope.
Come here, look.
Look,
Nope.
look.
Elizabeth.
Nope.
Turn!
You're going to die. You have a carrot. And you can't do the fence. Oh. Oh wow, that hat really hurt. Don't! Stupid! How does her tail? You break that. It's soft. It's cotton. It's full cotton. Don't break it.
I thought it was a balloon.
Stop. No, it is paper mache with cotton filled up in it. Yes, if you bend it, it won't go back to the original size. Stupid.
Oh, sorry. Still have carrots.
Okay, I'm gonna come and steal the ears now so we can watch this. So.
Those are my ears. Give me the ears.